Hello, Ben Petkewich with Sandstone Home Loans. Hope you're safe and doing what you can do to keep your family and loved ones healthy right now. Taking this moment to provide some updates on the mortgage lending world and what's happening right now. Two questions I've received quite a bit of the last week and a half are, number one, the federal government just dropped the rates to zero. When are we going to get 0% mortgage interest rates? And number two, what if I'm unable to make my payment? What can I do? Let's tackle those in order. Number one, a couple Sundays ago, the federal government came out and said we're going to drop the short-term lending rate to between 0 and 0.25%. While this does not have a direct impact on the mortgage rates, it does have an indirect impact on the mortgage rates. Reducing the cost for the banks to borrow money at should in turn put a little bit lower rates out there in the marketplace. However, another piece of that announcement that was just as important, if maybe not a little bit more important, was the fact that the federal government came out and said they're going to be purchasing up to $200 billion in mortgage-backed securities. This is great. This is what we needed. Rates have actually been going up since the last announcement when they said they were going to do this. All the uncertainty in the marketplace. Feds came out and said, hey, we're going to buy these mortgage-backed securities. All that's done is put a little bit more certainty that somebody's going to be buying them so we can lower those rates down again. And then number two, the people are saying, what am I going to do about my payments? My suggestion would be to contact your current servicer, tell them your situation. Are you unemployed? Are you underemployed? Are you on a temporary leave? What's going on? And request a payment deferral. I know many people in the service industry are going to have a reduction, huge reduction in income via tips or just hourly wages or no employment. And I don't know that unemployment is going to cover those amounts for those people. So I would suggest early on getting in contact with your mortgage servicer and we're requesting a payment deferral. On the back end of this, the Federal Housing Finance Agency has put a moratorium on foreclosures. So anybody with an FHA loan, a Fannie Mae loan, a Freddie Mac loan, the FHFA has come out and said, listen, we are not going to be processing foreclosures for the next 60 days. So there's some good stuff buried in this. That's it for now. Stay safe and talk to you soon. Bye.